Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can save image in Safari. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Safari. We have to go to the launch page and I'm going to open the Safari here. So as you can see, the Safari is open. Now simply what I'm going to do, I'm going to search for the image. So let's search for the nature and then press the enter. And after searching this, as you can see, I'm going to images. After going to the images section, as you can see, these are a lot of images are provided here. We need to click on this, and after clicking on this, the preview will be open like this. Now there are two ways to open and downloading an image. Firstly, you have to press the control button and then you have to click on this, and the options will be open like this. And then other way is simply you need to press with your two fingers on trackpad. So let's press, and after that you will get some other options as well. So as you can see, has an option for the save image to download or save image as. If you want to choose the location by yourself, you need to click on this one, or if you want to save the image at downloads, then you have to click on this, and the image will be automatically saved to downloads. So we are going to close this one, and now let's open the finder, and now we are going to the download section, and let's see the image is saved or not. As you can see, let's select the image. I'm going to open this. As you can see, the image is here and now it's saved. So in this way you can save an image on Safari. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can save an image in Macbook. So see you guys in the next video.